The myth that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis is not supported by scientific evidence. While the popping sound may be alarming, it is generally harmless and is caused by gas bubbles in the synovial fluid surrounding the joints. Studies have not found any correlation between knuckle cracking and arthritis, and in fact, some studies have suggested that knuckle cracking may even have some benefits such as increased grip strength. However, excessive knuckle cracking may lead to joint irritation or injury in some individuals.